Hey, Dr. Marquez here at Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland. Our next video is a patient that's been coming to me for a while now, and he's a young guy. He works out hard in the gym a lot, plays a lot of sports, and occasionally he gets some low back and neck pain. It's a video of me just doing a general manipulation of his neck and low back to help him manage that pain. If you have any questions, please get a hold of us, and we'll see if we can help you. All right, so we got Jason here. Jason's got a little bit of low back pain and some neck pain and a little bit of pain going down his right leg. We're going to do a manipulation just to try to loosen it up, decompress the joints, and get him to feel a little better. Okay? Where are you working out? Planet Fitness? Nice. I've got it through us. You been down to Myrtle Beach?
No, not this year.
No?
Not yet.
You gotta get down there.
Man, last time I went, it rained every fucking day I was there.
There's other things to do.
Yeah. Well, I did go skydiving. That was a lot of fun.
Down there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
We had a good time.
Take a deep breath for me. Let it all out. Drop your hands to the floor. Good. Good. Lay on your side, face me. Now bend your top leg. I got you. Okay, other side. The manipulation is just going to decompress the joint. So if you did anything in the gym to compress it or lock it up, we're going to unlock it and hopefully it'll feel a little better. On your back, on your face. Come on up. Sit on the edge. Down on tight. Come on back. That'll loosen it all up. Your low back was a little tight, but we did get it to move, so it should help. So you're not going to recommend, if you're around tomorrow, come in tomorrow. You know, possibly the next day if you have. You do it a few times in a row. Sure. We'll loosen it up, and this should put it behind you because it'll move pretty easily.
Yeah, I definitely stretch a little bit too. Like I use that.